ISOKO man what? How it go be you when you later fall back home and face humiliation, embarrassment of the highest order? Everette Joel no ukuo are na bobika weje luetizi ye bozi weje bozi ha ko epofie belaye bikweta enyire zero we when it manare to wiku when you are nare se no wisoko reta no ataiku eh ojaro Paulina no yome Everejo well I go be you bro. You say you go canning one week bukani like you go hustle outside your state or outside your community, like outside your hometown, you know, you go hustle to make life. If that place not the favor you, or madam, change location, or you fall back home. Oteron no canon when nana, baby you where when no canina. How you are way to make up see bo keme e dere bobi no Anna I not to awojo ne dere na awojo bukane na afe awojo kokoi na afe e ko ejogele e ko iwe mejo wo are fofu noise kemeri ever we kinero no rest job. How you feel say it go be when we say all your people, even your own mind self, they tell you say you go canning, you go hustle, you dey make life for them. One na sufferness, uvu oja, oro wo beneva be, and you dey pretend. You keep pretending that all is well, why all is not well. I go be for you. When we say later on, you fall back home like somehow, some way, either you come back with a corpse or you come back alive. Then we just see it bossy. Are wole gbe na de ki well. Or are wole gbe no we with you on with him where wall be. At the end now maybe you come the fine hotel. How long you go dey hotel when you come to your hometown? Maybe it's an or aqua bro. Waiting at the talk, so you get many branches. Utejo we dakana disire. If you like, travel around the nation. If you like, hide yourself. If you like, reject your hometown. If you like, look your community fialakas. Dejo. Ijere krenyovo. Wotiteko. Kinu webi lo ariovo e worana. And lo ariovo ve wona na everywhere. You know they do anything for your community. As you no go build. Some of them say go manage builders. Una go abandon. Nobody go stay. The grass go full inside. Everywhere go dey yaga. Your street when you dey Sophia Lankans, your family compound, your family street or your community everywhere jaga and you there outside. They lavish money anyhow. They feel alright. Obono wera na wada be mami we mame company mame are feel be we really love we encourage our we support our you know you do things outside there, but when it comes to your community, your own place, your hometown where you come from, so it's so fialakas where red zaye keme we biro no eza robone kono vo we no eza robono wero na ayo wero no ori eza ta wo logo arejo obono wero na ko wero no re to be you are fialaka normally owo bi re je wo ejore bukane kemera wojo as e wora as you can figure owo bo were side be wo fa bukane no na normal. Like people come your community, your place, your nation come hustle. So you too can go to other nation to hustle to make life normally. You understand? So for jereri na no webi bobe hustle na bi na no uje wo ma anu je bi wo mata come webi lu obe wo ma e maria no no abonu no eri ano konwuro ete irorowo orejo. They say now where person business dey na there in mind dey. So na there you go need to do well, you know, so that you go fit dey comfortable and normally come oche riri na. Wogbe de na wa mare ke no no we bi lu na uwe gbe nuwe no se. Ine jeje ure klike ha ijere kroniov. You go fall back. No. Na so it just be. Urere manure krete. No matter how long, one day you go fall back home. It's either you fall back alive or you fall back when you are bye. Kino we je telu ezi. Dia se were ti wo o. Igo no we ti wo na. Uwo no we ti wo na. Dia se we ti jo. Yes, bobi no we bozi. Where bozi ewo ti lo are maybe na burial, na marriage or party or festival, carnivals or anything. Somehow, somewhere, something brought you home. For how long will you continue to lodge in hotel? So the hotel now will not be your mate builder. You no fit build. Or your auntie has, or your uncle has, or your papa has, or your mother has when you want this. For how long? You no go build your house and when people come, go still branch your own. No, maybe no. I don't understand. Keme na wa wo jen wa robo. Ukane na yin. Wareri ya wo na robo wo bo na fialakas. Woman, why would I? But why you are it? One, I don't know. I don't for that one. I don't want where. Nothing that they do for the community or for your family when they see you. They not they see you. They not they see your hand. Eh, my name is Bobby. Will it bozy? Kasi Bobby will it bozy? Yana. Who work by I say work by I no ever be lu a matter na. Ego night bedja na de tumulo. Maybe community contribution, family contribution when they do so, maybe that they do something. You know they play sometimes 15 naira, 20 naira, 200 naira, 500 naira, 1,000 something. Some people when get money go just say how much but they do this now. So in a 2 point something billion, 2 million, 3 wanna take me they go do. Did the men for where major thing? Na bobi na wan lu na ilu Ibiru na Ibiru bro. To you, no they work, bros, they work. Weja babero, weja avavro, no they doubt. Weja avravro, oare isi bad. Ilu. Isiwe. Eto ana, yeto. Uzemo gene befo wena. Arenwo wehe. Go arewo na anwe fi ore. Okay, mari ene ku wero no. Wa wojo no. Ebe mamiwo fi ewo rai. Fi nwa bona noze. Meanwhile, they don't build some houses or some companies for other places, you know. So they still they do for their own communities too, you know, in order for them to have some development in their community, in their family or in their nation, you know. So you think say the people don't get sense. People when they build, they say they build better houses, better places for their place. So you think say they don't get sense. No, they don't get sense. Say that kind house now, that kind community they build them for another place. It go benefit them past here when they come build them with. No, you think say you when you there outside countries or when you there outside your community. So okay, you think say wish not reach there. Okay, no, wish not they see these people when they build for years. Iyo etabe nwere. Keme we me joma want na. That I can wishful. Wish full everywhere. And that place I wish too strong. I wish to do this. That's what they take him uncle. And that's what they take him auntie. And that's what they okay, no well. Oto no when you Canada na je bonkura na pantira na je bo. Emewelu. Ijo keme because na you dey see. No, your eye clear. We be on day. Kebeshan we be on when I be driving na. Emewelu. Bokoloko. What did you do? You feel like us. Okay, who we don't know open a one then. Is an array to be. It is a wish not the reach that. If which won't do you something, it is say get where you go hide for this planet Earth when which not go see you do. Okay, that's like when you did so wish not the reach that or wish not the that side. Anyway, Lolo. We need Zana for now. I don't know. I won't know. I don't know. I bet them. I won't be na it. Okay, I want for before. It's I won't know. I for it's I wait and they for you. No be people do that place fine. When on they run they go. Who we go obora na ma say zire. And what just oboro ne. Unless I enjoy it, but what they enjoy be na. You don't go do your place fine so that your place well so that when people go come also for your place, they go still enjoy it as you they enjoy that place when you run go so. Come on, you that Bobby are recruit na Bobby if you do isumai una go pack all the blame on top the leaders. And we know say that one day, that one we know say our leaders, most of them not they try, and we understand. But come one marana, how you they try reach for your own side? Evo ferranu to weti luna. Everywhere better mat gateo. Mat better return akakiru be water. Bino isumai bilu. Mama mine na de su man lo kemi ofenu o panu fonu marelu. Keve we better mateo. Kemunya na no where na we sagben. You no fit clear your street oh. Gutter when government don't dig now, you no fit they dig and make it clean, make it neat oh. Because now everything government go must come do, everything I leaders go must come do for the community, for the street. In leaders now my day maybe when I better you say better bell why vina wo joro no. Yeah, because I see and say so you want reach now leaders go come they open some of na anus or some of na yash so that na go fit shit oh. Because the way I think they see the matters now, or when I tell they do the thing, be like saying so you want reach so. Abina. No. Arelweni yana. Arelweni. Deja weti boss ya. Keten weti boss na teto wiku when you know so kore sadiku. Ateto wiku. Ateto we basse. Ezirana. Oteni oma. Ate povio wate to wiku. Wete maki bona tete moriku. Wele nye manoreza. O e babo we fete. Wete gololar olara kufie. Wete gbele wora kufie. Deje. Ate to wiku. Evorejo moy. Nok wete bozi. Ajete to wiku. Povio we evorete jowe ayu yeti te do we te don't we don't we bufie vope. Maybe somehow some way you don't live your life, then you buy for that side, you say you neglect your you don't I let you well be when you so that but that bobi fio pay e mora bobi oh everybody to that nation worry gbo emeta you are a slave. Some of them go say, now because you never get money, if you get money, you go know how they be. You do this. Okay, so what if every year na re vluno? No, if person don't get wet, person don't reach, he brain the malfunction. Abi? No be so now. I really are in any woman. Oh, I no phone. I really very okay. One very okay. Develop your place now. What is even development? Development. What is development? Mokuna explain that for me. You no go develop your place. No be people develop that side when that side is sweet for you. You no go develop your place, make your place still sweet. Abina. Efo je gaini. Arelweni. Evo rete jowe. If you fall back home and you come and face humiliation, embarrassment, yeah, I go be you, bro. Anem your voteko monowarege. A word is enough for the wise. My bros, my auntie, my madam, my oga, do the needful at the right time. Make your place a better place. As that place when you did so good, so do your place, make it good like that. Then when we still dey here too, we should try as much as possible but to make this place a better place. This one, it tie all of us. Everybody might tie. ISOKO to the world. I remain of Thank you.